Hi guys, it's the Black Bonsai guy, and I'm back here today, here to do a quick video to tell you how you can get some trees for your house at a discounted price. So TEP, if you live in Arizona, and particularly Tucson, but I don't believe this is the only power company that does it. I believe multiple power companies around the world do it. If you live in Tucson, TEP, Tucson Electric Power, they have a program to where you can buy trees at a discounted price for $5. They have everything from ash trees to mesquite trees, cypress. There's at least 20 different varieties that you can choose from. But what I'm here today to tell you is the best thing that they offer through that program, that shade program, is the pomegranate tree. So you can get pomegranate trees for $5 each. Now they limit you to 3 per year. So typically the pomegranate trees, you can find them available through TEP around like November through March of the next year. So November, December, January, February, and March. Generally that's when you find the pomegranates. I'll pause for a second and I'll come back and I'll show you some of the pomegranates. So again, just to give you a little background on it, they offer these trees at a discount because as these trees grow up, generally they're fast growers, they have wide canopies, and because they have wide canopies, they'll cast a shadow on your home, and that shadow that's being cast on your home acts as shade. Since it's shade, the sun cannot hit it directly, thus it lowers the heat that's produced in the house, thus causing your electric bill to cool the home to come down. So that's why they provide it for $5. It's actually a benefit for them. So I'll pause for a second and I'll walk you around and show you my pomegranate trees. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. So here is one of the pomegranate trees. This is actually the first pomegranate tree that I got from TEP, and as you can see, it has probably about 8 or so pomegranates on it. I had this particular tree, this is actually year 2, and it actually fruited the first year I got it. So I'm not sure if the air layer in these trees are gaffing them, but they generally, based on my experience, they produce fruit the same year. Now I believe I got this one maybe, I want to say maybe in like March of 2019, and towards the latter part of 2019, I think in December, I was able to have my first pomegranate. Now I have it all wired up on the wall right here because I'm just letting it bush out to give me fruit. I'm gonna eventually get it to prune into a single trunk tree. But for now, since it's fruiting, I didn't want to mess with it. And I did transplant it into a bigger pot this year. And this year I picked up more trees because you get 3, you're limited to 3 trees total per year. So every year, I plan to add, 3 more pomegranates on. It's the only fruit trees that they offer that I've been able to see. And all of these trees, I believe, have fruit on it. This one did not come through TEP. I bought this one already, so don't count that one. But as you can see, I have a pomegranate bag here. This one is producing pomegranates up here, and I got these trees in January this year. And this other tree, this third one, as you can see back there, I have that one bagged. So this is just a little quick video to show you guys how you can get some trees, some trees at a discounted price. So I encourage you all to check with your utility providers and see if they offer a similar program. I know as you go all across America, multiple programs within cities, they do it. It might not be your electric company, but just Google it and see, and you can have some pomegranates growing very soon. These should be ready in a couple of more months when it starts to cool off. But that's all I wanted to show you guys today. It's the Black Bonsai guy. I'm out.